It gives us then a springboard into new missions. We have to understand what we've done before we go on and do new things. And Lynn has been leading that charge. And Lynn, personally, I thank you very much for that, because it is a great service to this growing community. We have astrobiology, and some may say, well, astrobiology on the moon. That's a very active focus group. But it can be. Commerce, dust, impact history of the solar system, and South Pole Aitken Basin. These are the current focus groups. What I'm suggesting here is maybe a slight reorganization of said focus groups. We still have astrobiology, but this fits in very nicely with some of the things in the Lunar Exploration Roadmap. Under the science, goal D, there's a lot of biology and astrobiology things that can go on there, and I would strongly suggest a focus on those issues. Commerce. The sustainability theme is all about commerce. I suggest a focus on that. Dust. Again, applied science is outlined in the Lunar Exploration Roadmap. ALSEP, I suggest broadening that to being a lunar geophysics focus group. ALSEP can be part of that. We've been looking back, finding the old data. We need to start looking forward, because there's a new Frontiers class mission outlined in the Decadal Survey to establish a lunar geophysical network mission. Impact history of the solar system. I think both that and the South Pole Aitken Basin should be combined into one focus group. Now, I may speak heresy there, but so be it. And again, this can lead to a better understanding of the impact history of the inner solar system. Lunar evolution. Recent lunar activity, thermal, tectonic, magmatic evolution of the moon. In situ resource utilization, or volatiles, all part of it, could help enable and do that crossover thing between science and exploration that Mike talked about. And finally, what about astronomy from the moon? We've got Jack Burns, who's given a talk at this forum. Been doing astronomy from the moon, or trying to do it. And this is something that is a unique opportunity for a very specific science, and maybe others that we haven't yet thought about. So again, these focus groups should be used to develop mission concepts to address major lunar science priorities. We need a lot of mission proposals. When I say a lot, I mean more than 3 that were in the latest discovery round of 28. None of them made it. I'm still in mourning about that, but that's fine. So focus groups could develop different different mission concepts. Landing site options, research to support both of these. Identify technology developments that are needed in order to make that next step. So why do we need to do this? Well, missions and new data ensure community survival, growth, and longevity. That's the thing. We don't want to be a 5-year flash in a pan. Proposal pressure to NASA demonstrates community enthusiasm and vibrance. Produces more missions and mission opportunities, which feeds back to new data. It ensures mission longevity. So, new focus groups then, I just put this up here, should promote lunar and solar system science through developing well thought out mission concepts. Now, this is obviously just my ideas, and I'm sure they will either be shot down or modified, and that's fine. Really don't care about that. The thing is, we've got to get organized. This is the time, people, we've got to do it. So again, we could have bi-monthly telecons of these focus groups. Could be facilitated through the NLSI. We have agenda action items focused on the ultimate goals. Progress is going to be reviewed, scary thought, in order to ensure that things move forward. We need chairs or heroes that are going to push these types of things through the different focus groups. We need full participation by the community that are interested in these focus groups. And now more than one mission concept could come from any one focus group. The whole point is to get the missions done. How you do it doesn't matter. Bright people have many different ideas of how to achieve the same goal, so let's put them all in. And should accommodate, these focus groups should accommodate important scientific breakthroughs and be able to react to them. And that comes from being able to meet regularly, good communication, and we can do that in this day and age. So we need to be ready for the next discovery and new frontiers rounds. The discovery should be out according to the last decadal, but budget depending, in the next 24 months. Be able to take advantage of any international and as we heard from Pete Warden about Google Lunar X Prize, any commercial opportunities to go to the moon. So when the moon comes back into focus as a target for extended human exploration, we will be ready. Any questions? Great. Great.
Clive, I just talked about this, and we will put sign-up sheets up front for your new folks. So if there are a few rows in the audience, we would love to support those.
So Greg just said that there will be sign-up sheets for those new focus groups out front, and we need some heroes to chair them. So please go sign up. Stampede out of here right now. No, oh, apparently not. Not right now, later. Any other questions? You accept everything I've said, that I don't believe that at all. Okay. Who's up next?